Let's check this air layer after 1 year. This is procumbens nana juniper. I air layered it from my garden tree. I believe after today's work this tree will look completely different. I believe maybe we can change completely the angle of this tree. Before I will take it off from the spot, I can start some general works, and I think this branch is too long and will not be the part of this project. So I'm gonna make for now a gin from this one on the beginning. It is also important to make lots of layers when you are doing this kind of job. First, I'm gonna just clean it a little bit to see the structure of this tree. Also, I can cut some dead branches here. As I said, this tree I'm going to put much more vertical. Okay. We'll take it off from the spot. I will check the roots, and maybe I will do some initial works. So let's check. Do we have lots of roots, lots of healthy roots. As you can see, I use mostly perlite and very open mix when I was put it after the air layer. I suppose the upper part of this root ball will have to be reduced, as I want this tree to be much more vertical. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this upper part of roots to show this movement, and I'm gonna put it also to this plastic flower pot. On the bottom of this pot I will use this soil mix which was used before. And for the upper layer I will add some new substrate. So the most important right now is to find a good angle for this tree and prepare it for the future development. The tree was potted last time in this angle, and now I'm gonna change it. I will use a rubber to protect those roots from my wire.
Now we can see that this tree looked completely different than on the beginning of this movie. I think this could be my future front for this tree. I will mark it here. And I'm gonna use those two branches that are needed, as I don't have much branches on the right side right now. I hope during this video you could see what can you do with air layers after 1 year. This is still the beginning of the work, but as you can see, it looks completely different than the tree that was on the beginning. Now it's just a matter of time to make it stronger, and when the branches will grow here a little bit more, I can start to shape all of them. We are just starting this journey. It was the second step after last year air layer, and I will share with the progress of this tree for sure, as I believe it is worth it. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it was quite helpful, and I hope that maybe this video will give you some ideas what to do with a layer tree after 1 year. This will become really nice bonsai in the future. Stay tuned and thank you. Goodbye.